Hi, everybody.
Hello.
My name is Finn. F-I-N-N. Have you had fun learning about the letter A?
Yes.
Me too! You know, some of my favorite foods start with the letter A. Can you think of foods that start with the letter A? How about avocados? Hey, I like them on toast, or in a salad, or in guacamole. There it goes. Adios, avocado. What other foods start with the letter A? I know, asparagus. I like that word, asparagus. Asparagus. Wow, look how long and tall it is. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, blast off. Wow. What else starts with the letter A? Almonds start with the letter A. Hi, Almond. Whoa. Look at that almond spin. Whoa, careful, don't go too fast. Whoa, whoa. Hey, what a nut. Oh, I just remembered. One of my most favorite foods starts with the letter A. Apples. The best part is going to the apple orchard and picking them right off the tree. Have you ever been to an apple orchard?
Yes.
It's so much fun. There it goes. Bye-bye, Apple. See you later.